Alright guys, so I just received my replacement Platinum Pro from Haltech. They were super awesome and just basically sent me out a new one instead of having to make me wait for it to get sent to Australia and tested and fixed and returned and all that, because that could take up to about a month, they said. So yeah, it just came out of this package there, and gonna unplug the stock ECU there and hope that this one doesn't click. So yeah, join me for the ride here. Well, no clicking. Doesn't seem like it fits all the way in there very well, but I guess we'll find out. So plug that in, and plug my USB cable in, and we'll hook it up to the laptop. The light came on. So that's always good. Okay. Let's try and connect. The ECU found appears not to be a product supported by this version of software. Okay. Check for updates. No updates found. Alright. So it looks like Haltech has a new ECU software. ECU Manager 1.14. So let's download that and get that installed. And we're back. And we're in version 1.14.0. So let's see if we can connect now. It is downloading. That is a great sign. R32 ECU V2. Hey, my battery volts are good. So far, so good, folks. Let's import a tune. Let's go with this one. Tables, calibrations, and settings. Okay. If you are upgrading, import. Okay. It is importing. This is just the tune that I had from before. It already has the settings set up for my wideband and my injectors and all that. And the small changes that I had made to the base fuel table to get it idling and stuff. You guys like my new shift knob? Had this one in my Cobra, Pro Charge Cobra, before I had my Skyline. I really like the way this feels. It's metal and then it has the rubber grip here. so I liked it. I need to reset the ECU. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have put zip ties on the connector there because apparently with this ECU, the bolt that screws the harness into the ECU doesn't really go in as far as the old one did. And a couple of my connections were not making contact, so that's why I wasn't getting any throttle position sensor. Excuse me. But now everything seems fine. I'll turn the ECU back on. ECU online. We've got our external map reading. We've got our wideband not reading anything right now, but throttle position. So, oh, there it goes. Got our battery voltage not fluctuating. So, let's give it a shot here. Yeah. Alright, well I gotta turn it off because it is almost 1 in the morning. I had to work late and my ECU came in and I just had to freaking install it because that's just what I do, I guess. But yes, success. Now let's do some tuning. So we're out here with the laptop. I have no AC, so the windows are down. Just trying to make it drivable, really. Not even trying to go into boost right now. So, not exactly sure what I'm doing either, so I'm just trying to take it easy and just cruise and make sure that target air fuel is where it's at. So, got no front bumper on or headlights. Running around here looking like a hoopty. Felt some hesitation there. Trying to stay out of boost. But very exciting, I know, but there's no way I'm gonna try and full throttle this thing without proper tuning. I'm doing this for you, YouTube. I didn't even want to record right now because I might make myself look stupid. I may already have, I don't even know. You know? You shouldn't be out there driving, blah, 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 you got no tuning and blah, blah, blah. I have good ears. I hear no detonation. It's my story, I'm sticking to it. I'll hear my blinker ticking real fast because I have no turn signals in up front.
Hey, what's that blinking noise?
And then there goes my engine.
We want to talk about the 15 pounds.
I don't know what you're talking about. Whoa.
Easy now.
Whoa. This car's not for stop and go traffic. Got the OS Gaiken twin plate clutch in it.
So it is.
Yeah, that's why it makes that chattering noise when I press the clutch in. I took a peek through the pivot arm hole and saw what kind of clutch it was. Saw the clutch plate. It's drivable pretty much under 3,000, 4,000 RPM. It does have a little bit of hesitation when I try to give it a little bit more throttle. So that probably means I need to adjust the throttle position sensor fuel map a little bit more. My phone just cut out on me. What I was saying was the throttle position sensor in relation to RPM is how the fuel map is done. So yeah, that needs to get a little bit more fine-tuned. And then there's also a map correction table. So like the amount of boost and vacuum that it sees also corrects the fuel table. So I probably need to disable that to begin with and just get the fuel table right. I may be completely wrong right there, but I don't know. I have to do some research. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully next videos will be of probably a fuel pump install, and then also have to see what my tuner's schedule looks like, get some dyno time, and then we can actually get a professional to get this thing on the dyno and get it drivable and make some power. So check out my Instagram, my Facebook. If you want some shirts or stickers, check out goodzilla.com/shirts or /stickers. If you buy anything on Amazon, you can use goodzilla.com/store, and it has a lot of common items that I've bought for my car: spark plugs, battery, you know, stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. See you.
I'm watching.
going. That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
But the other one's not.
Yeah. All right. Not bad.